Myself Jay Patel. I'm managing partner of Feed Milling Tech. Our brand name is FMT Extrusion. We are mainly into turnkey projects of aqua feed plants, poultry feed plants, cattle feed plants, and shrimp feed plants. Our main product is twin screw extruder and spare parts of twin screw extruders. Plus, we are doing turnkey projects for all the feed mills also. Here we have showcased our hammer mill. This one is, can you show the hammer mill please? Lily, okay. This one is a 15 ton per hour hammer mill for poultry, and this hammer mill gives 5 to 6 ton per hour for floating fish feed. We have all the equipments related to feed plants. Here are various machineries which we have showcased. Exhibition is also quite good. We have got a good footfall over here.